friend Aileen, and today I am buzzing with excitement. Do you know why? Well, it's because of our idiom of the day. It's busy as a bee. Well, do you know how bees are always flying, humming, working, collecting nectar, making honey, and probably gossiping with flowers? When someone says busy as a bee, it means you're super busy doing lots of things, just like those hardworking little bees.
Wow!
Like when your mom asks, "Why haven't you cleaned your room?" And you say, "Because I was busy as a bee eating snacks and watching cartoons."
Oh my God.
Now let's see how we can use it in a sentence. I was busy as a bee finishing my homework before playtime. Or Aileen is always busy as a bee learning new words. So, next time someone says you're busy as a bee, give them your best buzz spin and say, "Yep, I'm making honey." Oops, I mean learning. And that's our buzztastic idiom of the day. Now go on, vocabulary champ. Stay bright, stay curious, and stay busy as a little bee, learning something new every day.
Wow!
Bye!